Hi, it's Lisa, and I'm just outside today because if you've watched a couple of my videos, you've heard the Canadian geese in the background, and you heard me talking about the man-made lake, which is technically, I guess, a retention pond for water. And today, the Canadian geese are insane. Like, there are thousands on this lake, and they just keep coming. Like, I could sit here all day and just watch Canadian geese land on the water and take off. They actually practice their flying and their landing as groups. So it's pretty neat to see it. But today the noise is just crazy. I can't even film because even with the windows closed, you can still hear them all. And then if you do ever hear construction in the background, it's from this big house on the end here. Yeah, I've been watching them build this house for like a year and a half. And yeah, I wish they would just finish already. It's sickening at times. But I do get to enjoy the geese. And then you can see all the yellows and greens that I was talking about. I have very little red or orange even to look at, but the gold is so bright and pretty around the marsh areas. I have another marsh in behind me. Like from where I'm standing right now, there's a big marsh on the other side of the fence. You can see, there's the fence, and then we have a huge marsh, so there's nothing behind my house either. So, this is what's keeping me from filming. That's why they are probably coming out a bit late. Blame the Canadian geese. Yes. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.